Hey everyone, this is Patrick Kappel with the Kappel Realty Group at Compass right here in San Diego. I wanted to just real quickly drop a line about investment real estate. You see, a lot of people have a misconception and they focus on cash flow, cash flow, cash flow. Why? Because every book they've ever read, maybe at an airport or Barnes & Noble or bookstores if they still exist, is all about cash flow, cash flow. That is the misconception, however. Books are made to do one thing, sell books, not to educate you. My goal is to educate every client I work with, and I have learned through both a master's degree in real estate and by being an investor myself that if you really want to make the big money, you need to eliminate that silent partner you have, and that's called the government, who will eat away your proceeds with taxes. Now, you can make money through cash flow, but the government will whittle away cash flow as it is taxed, is ordinary income. The other way to make your return on investment is appreciation. First of all, the government doesn't tax appreciation at all. Second of all, when and if you sell, that appreciation can be transferred to other assets or to yourself through tax-free means. So if you're really serious about building your wealth and not being a millionaire, but a multimillionaire, a decamillionaire, the wealthiest of real estate investors know don't invest for cash flow. Invest for appreciation that one day will convert into cash flow. Now, cash flow, that's like candy. It's full of sugar. It gets people excited, and that's why it sells. I don't sell, I educate, and that's why I show the reality of investing for appreciation to build that true generational wealth. If you do want to learn more about appreciation versus cash flow, how should you invest based on your age, your income, your goals, tune in to what I teach, tune into what my team shows, and we'll be there to walk you from here to the end of the finish line on investment real estate.